going on? Today I'm going to install my Rouge Rider Industries rear LED tail lights, the 1156 version for my Low Rider S. Go ahead and get these installed. All we need is a screwdriver. I already have the smoke lenses. We'll go ahead and get them installed. Let's head over to the bike. All right, first thing you do, take the screwdriver, find the little slotted edge in between there. There's a nice little groove. Put your screwdriver in there and just pop it. Now what we'll do is we'll take the bulb. You're gonna push in and turn. What I like to do is get the other light. Here's the Rouge Rider light, LED. What I like to do is pull this out and look where the dimples are. See how they're straight across? If you have the 1157, they're different. These are the exact same. So we're just gonna go in here at the same angle, push and turn. Throw that bulb in the garbage because they're junk. All right, once you get it in, I like to push this to the side and twist this around so it goes around there, and try to keep it as flush so it'll fit nice and easily. Just keep twisting it, it'll get to the right spot. And what I try to do, I just get a little OCD and make sure all the LEDs are straight up and down, especially that center one. And then we'll take our smoke lens or whatever lens you want, find that groove again, which is right here, and we'll make sure we face it out so it's easy to get the screwdriver, and then just snap it in. We'll go out to the other side. Got the groove, pop forward, lens comes off, take your bulb out, throw it in the garbage, get the groove lined up, twist and push, drop it down below, and just twist it around. Now that's all lined up. Grab your smoke lens or whatever lens, find the groove, make sure it's facing out, and then just pop the cover on. Guys, that's it. Pretty quick and easy. It's pretty much any Harley taillight will be the same. Just make sure you get the right bulb. 1156 is a single and the 1157 is a dual LED at the bottom. So just remember that. Make sure you get the right ones. If you have any questions on Rouge Rider's website, it's written right there, plain, pretty simple to understand. But if you like the video, hit the like button. Consider subscribing. It's free. It doesn't cost you anything. And remember, ride something, ride safe, and we'll catch you on the next one.